So I just wanted to pop on really quick. I have been inundated with emails about what happened with my new home construction. And I don't know if it's because the real estate market here in North Carolina is on fire. It is booming. Houses are being built everywhere, and homes are being purchased as soon as they hit the market. So things are very hot here in North Carolina where I am. So I don't know if that's what sparked the interest all of a sudden in what happened with my new home, but I have had people reach out on social media. Like I said, I've gotten a ton of emails and even comments on some of my other videos. So it's actually been over a year since my last video was posted, and so much has changed for me during that time, not just with my new home, but of course the obvious in 2020. So many other things have happened, and those things have definitely been the reason why I've made some changes in my life. So the reason why you're here probably is to find out, was my new construction home completed? Did I close on time? Did I have any issues? And how has the pandemic, of course, impacted my residence? So yes, the answer is yes. I did close on my new construction home in July of 2019. And I will actually be posting videos over the next couple of days of the footage that I have from prior to closing, the final stages of construction, and how the progress occurred after the last video that I posted. Keep in mind, unfortunately, I do not have footage of the final walkthrough of my home. The last couple of weeks, when the final finishes were being put in place, the builder did lock my home, and unfortunately I did not have access always to the key to come in and film, and so things got very busy, and I wasn't able to film those last couple of weeks. But what I will do is show you what has happened with my new home since that time, and what changes, if any, have occurred. Do I still reside in my new construction home? And all of those other things that you may be interested in knowing. So if you haven't already subscribed and those are things that interest you, feel free to subscribe. And like I said, over the next couple of weeks, I will begin posting videos of the progress that was made since the last video was posted. And I think that will be flooring, countertops, lighting fixtures, and things like that. So I'll show you all of those things, and we will talk about some of the other changes that have occurred in my life, along with changes with my living situation. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much.